An ICE agent? I just had a quick question. Are you an ICE agent or a DHS agent? Okay. Have a good day. How you doing? I'd rather not get you on camera if you're not an ICE agent. Oh, he's got a holster right there. He's an agent. Sir, can you just identify yourself so I can get back to what I was doing?
You might want to stop following me.
What's that?
You might want to stop following me.
Why, you gonna beat me up?
Just letting you know.
That's a holster right there. Yeah, that's a nice agent. I'll stop following you up here, all right?
You're recruiting, I'll report you.
That's fine. I was wondering, are you an ICE
Back
agent?
up. Back up.
No, hey, you got plenty of
Back up.
space here.
Back up.
I'm not gonna attack you. I'm not an asshole.
Yeah, back up.
So go fuck yourself.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Yeah, you have a good day too.
Have a good day.
I got someone picking up the tail right over here. How about that?
I'm so scared.
Want help?
Okay.
All right.
There you go. I got you, baby.
Baby, I ain't your baby, you punk bitch.
Yep. Yeah, keep following me too.
I don't care, bro. Look, wait, are you threatening violence? What's up? I don't care, bro. Use violence on me. What's up? I can record you. I'm in public. You got space, you little fairy. Bye-bye now. You little traitor. You Mexican? Yeah? You little fairy? I will. What are you gonna do? What, you threatening violence? Come do it over here then. Punk bitch. Well, I'm gonna get back to the protest. Public photography is not a crime. Now he's over there. He stopped on his phone right over there. I'm gonna pause this just for a second, unless I get rolled up on. So he's still stopped down there in the red shirt on his phone. How you doing? Oh yeah. Hey, he said keep following me, so I kept following him at recording. He's like, can you give me some space? I was like, you got plenty of space. He had the holster, yeah, he was a nice agent. And then he started taking pictures of me. He's like, keep following me. Look, he's down there on the phone.
Yeah.
In the red shirt.
Yep. I seen him walk right out of the ICE office and come across the street and I go, how you doing? He goes, all right, and just perfect English.
Yeah. Oh no. I seen the holster. He had the holster. I got it all on video.
Oh, cool.
He called on me. I think he's calling for backup.
Call for backup. You're legally on the video. It was an ICE agent.
And I'm out. So this ICE agent asked me to follow him. So I guess I'm gonna follow him. He asked me to. He never told me to not. There he is in the red shirt.
Hey, back up. Hey, back up, sir. Back up.
I'm not, this is all on video.
Back up.
No,
Alright, back up.
I'm walking down the
Back
street.
up. Yeah, you went walking down the street because I'm here, right? Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going, sir. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Hey, relax, you're not in danger.
Hey, I got 2 people. Hey, back up.
You're
Back
not
up.
in danger.
Back up. 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 Hey, I will defend myself. Back up. Back up. I don't give a fuck. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Oh, you're gonna shoot somebody?
Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Hey, back up! Back up! The 3 of you, back up! Yeah, that's what. Hey.
Hey, if you shoot me, it is what it is.
I tell you to back up, bitch. What the what?
But, oh,
Back
bitch.
up.
Oh, now you're gonna call me a
Back
bitch?
up. Back up.
I'm standing right here. I am not fucking moving.
Hands up, don't shoot! Hands up, don't shoot!
Yeah, you got your hand on your pistol
Yeah,
too,
I do have
pussy.
the best- I do have
What's
the
up?
weapon on me. I don't have
Why are
the
you so
weapon.
scared? We're just photography. This
I will
photography.
defend myself, man. It's not the first time that harass me.
Harass you, we're video recording.
Yeah, that's why you harassed me all the way over here?
You told me to follow you.
Okay. Yes, man. I am for it.
You told me to follow you, Gestapo. It's a video camera.
Cause they up to no good, fucking dirty cops. Wanna slam me on the hood, dirty cops. Try to rob me for my rights, but I know my rights, I know. Cause they up to no good, fucking dirty cops. Wanna slam me on the hood, dirty cops. Try to rob me for my rights, but I